Come here. What did he bring? Come here.
Going out.
Look out there. Look at all the eggs. Look at the eggs.
Let's go, Scoob.
Come here. Come here. Look what he brought.
Bye, big kids.
Wow. There's something in it. Shake, there's something in it. Open it up. Wow.
Whoa.
Big one.
Whoa.
Whoa, put it in your basket. Here, put it in your basket. Say thank you, buddy. Thank you, Mr. Easter Bunny. But look, there's more. Come on, let's go get the eggs. Come on. Look, another one. Wow. Oh. Wow, is there something in that one too? Is there something inside this one too? Jelly beans. Here, you want one? Go put it in. Here, we'll save all the eggs. Are there any more eggs? Are there any more eggs? Wow! Is there something in there? Wow! Chocolate?
Where are all the eggs?
Oh, wow! Wow! We'll put them in here. Put it here for later. Is there any more? Any more? Is there any more eggs? Do you see any more?
Gotta get the front of his face.
Thank you, Mr. Easter Bunny. Put it in. Put it in your basket.
No.
Okay. Is there any more eggs? Is there any more? Yeah, any more eggs? You see any more? Wow. Oh, wow. We put it in the basket. Is there any more? You see any more? Wow, go get it. Hurry up, go get it. Oh, wow. Let's see what's in this one. Is there anything in that one? Let's open. Open. More jelly beans.